Lenovo Idea Tab Pro Review. A versatile powerhouse for entertainment, study, and work. In a competitive mid-range tablet market, the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro stands out as an impressive all-arounder. Launched with a 12.7-inch 3K display, bundled keyboard, cover and stylus, and robust internals, it aims to satisfy needs across entertainment, learning, and productivity. All without breaking the bank. After 2 weeks of daily use, here is a deep dive into its design, display, performance, software features, battery life, and overall value. Premium design and build quality. From the moment you hold the Idea Tab Pro, its full metal unibody construction exudes durability and sophistication. The precision CNC machined aluminum feels cool to the touch and resists flexing under pressure. Subtle chamfered edges and 84.8% screen-to-body ratio give it a modern, minimalist aesthetic, while the matte textured rear panel effectively wards off fingerprints. At 12.7 inches and approximately 600 grams, it strikes an excellent balance between large screen immersion and portability, whether you're holding it in one hand for quick reading or propping it up to sketch with the stylus. A highlight is the included accessory bundle. A magnetic keyboard cover with full-sized keys and satisfying 1.3mm key travel, plus a precision stylus that snaps on magnetically. The keyboard's layout mirrors Lenovo's acclaimed laptop design, making the transition seamless for heavy typists. The trackpad is responsive, supports multi-finger gestures smoothly, and transforms the tablet into a mini laptop. Ideal for drafting documents or attending virtual meetings on the go. Stunning 3K display with 144Hz smoothness. Lenovo outfits the Idea Tab Pro with a 12.7-inch IPS LCD panel at 2944x1840 resolution, yielding razor-sharp text and vivid imagery. HDR10 support enriches contrast, while a blistering 144 Hz refresh rate delivers fluid scrolling, responsive touch interactions, and a remarkable gaming experience. Colors appear accurate and well-balanced, without the oversaturation sometimes seen on AMOLED panels. Viewing angles remain wide, so sharing the screen with friends is hassle-free. On the downside, peak brightness tops out at around 400 nits, which is adequate indoors but struggles under direct sunlight. If you frequently use your tablet outdoors, you may need to seek shade or max out brightness, which can impact battery life. Still, for indoor productivity, streaming videos, and casual gaming, the display offers an immersive, lag-free visual feast. Robust performance for work and play. Powering the Idea Tab Pro is MediaTek's Dimensity 8300 chipset on a 4nm process, paired with 8GB LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB UFS 4.0 storage. In real-world usage, this hardware handles multitasking and moderate gaming with aplomb. On Antutu benchmark, it registered over 1.16 million points, while 3DMark Wildlife Stress Test yielded a peak score of 6,482. With a respectable 60.1% stability. In daily tasks, working on Google Docs, browsing with over 10 Chrome tabs, streaming YouTube, and toggling between Telegram, the tablet remained snappy with no perceptible lag. During intense sessions in Arena of Valor at max graphics, frame rates dipped slightly in team fights. Heavy with visual effects, yet gameplay stayed smooth overall. For graphically demanding titles like Genshin Impact, dialing settings to medium maintained 60 FPS, though maximum settings caused occasional frame drops and thermal throttling. Even so, the Idea Tab Pro positions itself as one of the most capable Android tablets for both productivity and casual gaming in its price segment. Feature-rich software enhancements. Out of the box, the Idea Tab Pro runs Android 14 with a near-stock interface, free of bloatware or intrusive ads. Lenovo's thoughtful additions include a PC mode that transforms the UI into a desktop-style layout with resizable windows. Paired with the keyboard and trackpad, it approximates a laptop experience. Perfect for drafting reports or editing spreadsheets on the fly. The included stylus unlocks handwritten note-taking and precise sketching. Latency feels nearly indistinguishable from pen and paper, making it ideal for brainstorming diagrams or annotating documents. Dual cameras, a 13 megapixels rear sensor and an 8 megapixels front-facing shooter. Deliver clear video calls and decent snapshots, sufficient for document scanning and virtual meetings. Security features abound, from a side-mounted fingerprint sensor to PIN and pattern unlock options. Audio recorded through the built-in microphones remains clear, with minimal background noise. Important for online presentations or impromptu interviews. Exceptional battery life with fast charging. Equipped with a generous 10,200 mAh cell. The Idea Tab Pro easily outlasts a full day of mixed usage. In my testing, which combined document editing, streaming video, casual gaming, and web browsing, on-screen time exceeded 11 hours per charge. Light use scenarios, such as reading or productivity, only, can stretch to 2 full days. When it's time to recharge, the 45W fast charge support tops the battery back to 50% in under 40 minutes. And a full charge takes roughly 90 minutes. Lenovo's Power Saver mode intelligently restricts background apps to preserve juice when you're away from an outlet, ensuring you won't find yourself locked out of work due to a dead battery. Conclusion: a compelling all-arounder. After extensive hands-on experience, the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro shines as a versatile tablet that bridges the gap between entertainment, education, and professional work. Its combination of premium metal build, extremely smooth 3K 144Hz display, powerful Dimensity 8300 performance, and accessory bundle delivers exceptional value in the mid-range segment. While outdoor screen visibility and top-tier gaming at maximum settings have minor drawbacks, they do little to diminish the tablet's broad appeal. For students, content creators, and mobile professionals seeking a single device to watch movies, annotate PDFs, write essays, and even dabble in light gaming, the Idea Tab Pro stands out as a top recommendation. It transforms into a mini laptop with PC mode and keyboard, and the included stylus opens doors for creativity. At its price point, few tablets offer such a well-rounded feature set, making the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro a standout choice for anyone in need of one tablet to do it all.